Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Joypara Government Pilot High School online class. Dear learners, I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Earlier we discussed narration, but today we will discuss sentence transformation. And transformation of degree is one of them. Today we will discuss transformation of degree. First we will talk about degree. Degree, what is degree in grammar? Degree is a measurement, is a scale to measure adjective. It is derived from adjective. It limits the level of adjective. Suppose small, this is adjective. What parts of speech is it? It is adjective, you know. Small. This is simple, small. But smaller, if you add er, it would be comparative degree. Comparison between two, and this is positive form, this is comparative form. We turn positive form into comparative form by adding er. And what is the superlative form? It would be smallest, est. We have to add est. Degree is of three types: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Superlative is the comparison of more than two. Superlative is a comparison of more than two, and comparative is the comparison between two and without any comparison. Positive form is without any comparison. Then how will we turn positive form into comparative and superlative form? Generally by adding er with the positive form, we have to turn positive form into comparative form, and if we add est, then it would be superlative form. If the word is of one syllable, this is one syllable, small, big, tall, these words are of one syllable. In case of one syllable word, we have to add er and est. If the word is of more than one syllable, suppose beautiful, beautiful, it is more than one syllable. Beautiful, three syllable, so we have to add more beautiful, superlative form, it would be most beautiful. More beautiful, most beautiful. And if there is y at the end of a word, y would be I, then er. Heavier, y would be I, then year, heaviest. So degree is the level of adjective. Degree limits the level of adjective. Degree is derived from adjective. Adjective of 3 types, and each type is called degree. That means positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. In your exam, you will get a sentence of positive degree or comparative degree or superlative degree. You will be asked to turn a sentence of positive degree into superlative one or comparative one. Very few nations in the world are so beautiful as Bangladesh. Very few nations in the world are so beautiful as Bangladesh. Bangladesh is very beautiful country, you know. And what kind of degree is it? You know, this is positive form. It is positive degree because it is positive form. The word is positive form. And another, this is sign 1 to identify a positive degree. Another sign is before the positive form there is so before the word and there is as after the word. This is another sign, sign number 2. Positive form and there is so and as before and after the positive word, number 2 sign. And another third number sign, very few, sign number 3, third sign. For these 3 sign we call it as a positive degree. This sentence is of positive degree, positive form. We have to turn it into superlative form. You may ask to turn it into superlative form or comparative form. First we will turn it into superlative form. There is easy way to turn it into superlative form. If we number the various words of this sentence, it would be very easy for us to turn it into superlative form. There are many ways to turn it into superlative form, but I think numbering is the easiest way and easiest way to understand degree. So we will number the word. After as, this is the as, after as, the rest of the word would be number 1. It would be number 1. Number 1. And verb, it is verb, it would be number 2. And it would be number 3. Then very few would be deleted. Instead of very few, it would be one of the. One of the is the sign of superlative form. Is the sign of superlative form. This is number 4. And between 3 and 2, it would be number 5. This is number 3. Then what would be the final form of superlative degree? First, Bangladesh. It is positive form. We have to convert it into superlative form. Bangladesh. Bangladesh, then verb. Verb, here is are. Here are because of the subject is plural. Nations, there is s. It is plural form. Because of plural form, here is are, but this is singular. This is singular. Here it would be is. Bangladesh is. Then very few would be deleted. Then it would be number 3, one of the number 3. Number 1, number 2, then number 3, one of the. Then number 4. This is positive form. We have to convert it into superlative form. Beautiful. It is a word of more than one syllable. Then we have to use most before the positive form. Then what is the superlative form? Most beautiful. It would be most beautiful. Number 5, nations in the world. Nation. This is superlative. Bangladesh is one of the most beautiful nations in the world. Positive. In case of between the comparison positive to superlative, we will get two forms of positive. One form begins with very few and another form begins with no other. Now we will do a positive degree which begins with no other. Then we have to erase the, I think, positive we will erase the board. I think it is clear to you all. The more you try, the more you would be able to understand. So, practice much at home. Number 2, no other girl in our class is so good as Della. No other girl in our class is so good as Della. What kind of degree is it? Obviously it is positive degree. Why? Because there is positive form sign number 1, and before and after the positive form there is so and as sign number 2, and the sentence begins with no other, sign number 3. For this 3 sign, we can identify this sentence as positive degree. As of positive degree. This sentence is of positive degree. We have to turn it into superlative one. What would be the numbering? After as, the rest of the part of the sentence would be number 1. This is number 1. Verb would be number 2. Then no other would be number 3. Here would be no other would be deleted. Instead of no other there would be the. And this is positive form, it would be number 4. And between 2 and 3 it would be number 5. Then what would be the full sentence? We have to do it, turn it into superlative form. Number 1 Della, Dela. No other would be deleted. Instead of no other, sorry, number 3, number 2 is verb. Verb is. Number 3, no other will be deleted, and there comes the. It would be the. Now number 4, this is positive form. We have to turn it into superlative form. What is the superlative form of good? It would be best. Number 4 and number 5, guard in our class. In our class. Then Della is the best girl in our class. This is superlative form. Della is the best girl in our class. So you will get positive form with two symbols, very few and no other. There would be very few and no other. You will be asked to turn positive form into superlative form. In case positive form into superlative form, you will get two types of positive form. One form begins with very few and another form begins with no other. And we have done these two forms. I think that any kind of positive form, any sentence of positive degree, I think you will be able to turn any type of positive form into superlative one. There is only two types of positive form, no other and very few, in case of superlative. And I think you will practice at home, and practice will make you perfect. Then positive into superlative. Next class we will do positive into superlative and vice versa. Then we can okay, dear learners, I hope that you will practice at home, and I think you will watch my previous classes, and if you are unable to understand anything in my lecture, you will comment in the comment box. I like to say you goodbye here. I hope you all will be free from any kind of anxiety and worries, and you will be happy with your relatives, near and dear one, and go ahead with your studies, and hope that we will soon meet at our school. Thank you very much for watching the class. Goodbye.